Yeah, welcome back. We've been able to generate and send these reports to their respective parents. So let's see how we can verify that. So I'll pick my mailing list, open the Excel workbook for the mailing list. Then I've already signed into my Gmail address for all the three email addresses, which is the FitGH, PV Falmobin, and the Falma IT Training Services. Then am I missing some? Fits, then I think I'll need Fit Ghana as well. So let me put on my data and see how best I can make this work out. So I'll come in here. Let me connect to the internet. Okay, so let's wait for it. It will come for me to connect. Then we will continue from there. Good. So this is our mail list just to confirm the email addresses. Okay. So we sent 4. So I'll need to open the last email address and do the confirmation. Okay. Why is it not working? Okay. But at least we can confirm the 3 email addresses. So let's look at FitGH. So if I go to FitGH, you see that the email was sent to this particular name, Akowabin, and the son being what Obin Fifi Falma. Let's check if that is right. Yes, so it is right here. Good. Then let's look at the other email address, which is fififalmobin at Gmail. So the parent is what? Mrs. Gloria Holdbrook. Then the ward or the child is Christiana. So let's see if we can find Mrs. Gloria Holdbrook under FitGH. So FitGH. Let me check. Yeah, FitGH. Let's see. I think there was a mistake here. Dear Mrs. Gloria Hoodbook, please find attached. Oh, sorry. This is to Fifi Falmobin. So let's check the email to Fifi Falmobin. Good. So Fifi Falmobin is here, and the name of the parent is Gloria Hoodbrook. The word or the child is Christina Opom. So it got it right. Now let's look at Falma IT Training Services. So with the Falma IT Training Services, we have the parent being Kofi